need to make sure a dealership is legit. Here are some top tips buyers can perform to check out the legitimacy of a dealership. Number 1. Check out their listings pages and verify the contact information provided. Number 2. Check to see if they have a Google My Business page. Number 3. Inspect their Google reviews to see what other customers have said about them. Number 4. See if they have a presence on the various social media channels. Number 5. Review and compare their stock items against similar items on other dealers' pages to make an informed decision about product quality and pricing. Doing your homework before you engage with the dealer can safeguard you from making a bad purchase. Visit www.truckandtrailer.co.za for all your commercial vehicle needs.